Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to view your Wish Order history. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to view your Wish Order history using the Wish web app. The first thing you need to do is to open your web browser and go to www.wish.com. If you're not logged in already, click the sign in button at the top right corner and log in using your account credentials. Once logged in, locate your profile icon or account name at the top right corner of the page, and you'll be provided with a drop-down menu. From this drop-down menu, go ahead and click on Settings. Or instead of Settings, go back, click on your account name again, and select Other History. And it takes you here. Now, in this other section, you will see a list of all your past orders, including their statuses, which include shipped, delivered, processing. Now, if you check these tabs, you'll be able to track you'll be able to locate your order based on orders that are in progress, or orders that are delivered, or orders that are pickup, or orders that are under this category of refunded and cancelled. Now let's head over to all orders. Now each order entry typically includes order number, which is a unique identifier for your order, and the order date, that's the date when the order was placed, items ordered, a brief description of the products included in the order, and the status, which is the current status of the order. To view more details about a specific order, click on the order number or the view details button next to that order, and this will open a detailed page for that order showing the item's description containing more information about the items ordered, the shipping information containing details about shipping and delivery, the payment information containing details about the payment method used for that order, and of course the tracking information if the order has been shipped. Now, if you have many orders, you can use these filters in here. So placed in, all date, last 30 days, last 90 days, or even 2024. That's it. If you have questions or issues regarding any order, you can find contact option for Wish support directly from the order details page or the help center. If you need a copy of your order for returns or records, look for an option to download or print the invoice. Regularly check your email for updates about your orders, including shipping notifications and delivery confirmations. Go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.